I don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear. I like my toast on one side, but you can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm an Englishman.